What is going on, guys? It's Mark, the Mercado channel, Mercado's Vending. Guys, it's a new day. It's a new day. You know, the grind, the hard work does not stop here. Every day we are pushing and pushing and pushing to work harder, to grow more, to expand our business and scale it to where we want to be, and also finding new ways to be successful, guys. I just want to fill you guys in on the vending business here. As I told you in my last video, it wasn't a good week for me. Come to find out, there was some miscommunication between business and locators, but I did speak one-on-one on the phone with the locator. Very good woman. She works extremely hard at what she does. She works hours and hours a day to improve. She's been in the business for many years, and I totally respect this vending locator. I couldn't get any footage this morning, but guys, I finally got the triple head Vendstar placed at a tire warehouse in my local area. Very good tire warehouse. I believe they're a franchise or a corporation because they have tons of locations in the area. Each city, I believe, has one near me, and I'm glad to be putting my machine in there. They do have a sign that says no videography, no recording inside, so that's what I had to go by. I did not record, but guys, I placed my machine. I'm on my way home. I'm extremely excited. It has been a good morning so far. Today we have a trip with the family. We're going to be taking Maya to this place called Sunny's Place. They have go-karts and all types of kids stuff. So we're going to be out with the family today. Kids activity for the weekend. But guys, I want to let you guys know that the vending locator is putting in work. I was disappointed on my first couple locations with those experiences with the miscommunication, but this locator here is busting her chops. She is really putting in work to find me these locations, and she finds good locations, guys. As you guys may know, vending locators do everything over the phone, so sometimes some businesses do lie, some businesses do run their mouths, he said, she said. But one thing for sure, I'm learning more and more each day, and we're gonna be growing more and more each day, guys. So thank you guys all for watching. If you guys want to watch the rest of this video and journey today with the family, stay tuned, guys, because we'll be heading out soon. What is going on, guys? We got the family in the car today. We got the baby, we got Maya. Baby's right here. You already know the deal, guys. We got a family trip to Sunny's Place, little go-karting, maybe some miniature golf, maybe hit up the playground. We're gonna try everything out that they got there. Yeah, it is hot. It's a very beautiful day here in our state today. It feels like 70. It's not yet. I wonder if it will hit 70. It's already springtime here. It's about 60 degrees probably now.
It's more.
But guys, we're in for some fun. Before we even go, we're gonna try to get this little gumball machine placed. We already placed one machine earlier this morning. It's been a good weekend so far, very good day. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and come with us, guys. We are here, guys. We are here. Hi, Maya. She's pushing the baby. Woo. What's going on, guys? It's a blast, man. Look at Maya's already having fun. We're gonna do zip lining behind us. We got the playground. She's not doing zip line because she's scared. It's not even that high, but yeah. No, I know you're not, but Babe is. She thought it was gonna be like a 2-inch zip line. So have fun, Maya. Look at her right here.
Here they go. They're going on.
There you go. Yep. She's trying to do a flip off. Babe, how you feel? She's going on the zip line for Maya. This is funny. She's so nervous. Guys, I can't wait for this. She's nervous. Look at her. There they go. Oh boy, look at her. Look at her face. She's funny, guys. There they go. There they go. Have fun, guys. She's so nervous. There they come. Maya, hi. Uh-oh, here they come. Look at them. Ooh, they are. Zoom in. There we go. Yeah, good job, guys. Wow, look at them passing everyone. Number 28. They just got bumped.
Now she's going with her daddy. Ma, you ready? Ah! Come on, babe. Put me first. Put me first. There he goes. There he goes. Go, babe, go! Woo-hoo! He's trying to maintain his spot. This guy's giving her a run for his money. Hi, Papa. Hi. You gonna smile? Smile for mommy. Yeah. There you go.
So guys, we're gonna try the claw machine here. Grab and go.
Let's get started. Get one.
I'm trying.
No, get it.
Let's see if we win it, guys. Is it a scam or not? Oh, Maya, we got a ball. We got a ball. We got a ball. We got a ball. Get it, Maya? You got a ball. So, Maya, what are you going to try to do?
Get a stuffed animal.
She's going to try to get one of these plush animals.
Not stuffed animal. Stuffed animal.
All right. Go ahead, Maya. I'm going to tell you, okay? You got to go. What do you want? You want the purple one? Go more up. Nope. Come up more. No, come for the purple one. The purple one. Is that the one you want? The purple?
The fish?
Let me see. It looks good. Go ahead. Go for it. Let's see. There it goes. Is she going to win it or not? Let's see if Maya gets it. It dropped it? Oh, it dropped. So she missed it the first time. We're going to try again. All right.
Trying to get that tail.
Come on. Let's go. Gotta go up more. Gotta go up. It looks good. Let's see. Second attempt. And it slid out. All right. Now I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. What do you think? Is it good?
Let me see.
Well, let me know. Think it's good? It looks straight? I don't want that. That's tiny. Let's try to get the purple one. Think it's good? Oh! Oh no, that's not good. So guys, it's been a long day. As you can see, Maya's there eating her ice cream. Man, it's time to go home and eat dinner now. But before we go, we're gonna go place this machine real quick, and then we're going home. What's up, guys? We're back home, same day, Saturday, beautiful day. Beautiful day with the family. We try to get it out there as much as we can on the weekends together as a family. It was a successful day. We dropped off 2 machines. We couldn't get footage. We will show you those machines when we go do collections, so I will keep you guys in the loop. It's been a busy weekend so far already. But yeah, guys, it was a bad week, but it's starting to be a good weekend. Like I said, we do not stop working hard. We grind every day, and good things are bound to happen, guys. So I want to thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one, the Mercado channel here.